M3 Technology Group was founded in 2002 with just 3 employees. Today we're up to 115 employees over 4 different branches throughout the Southeast. We service our clients primarily with audiovisual technology, but we also work in structured cabling, telephony, access controls.
Our system before Acumatica was basically a server-based system that required us to enter a new sales order for every service ticket that we had. That led to also having a filing cabinet full of paperwork. It was not easily searchable. It was slow. You're basically operating out of several different platforms all at once just to achieve one common goal.
We researched NetSuite, Sage products, SAP. Once we started pricing things, no competition, so all those fell off the board. Acumatica was on the rise, while the others felt like they were fading away.
Now that we have Acumatica, everything from our intake to our scheduling to our inventory to our ordering and billing, it's all done from the same location. So it's made everything much more efficient.
So the Acumatica app allows our field technicians to actually interface with the cloud-based system so that our project managers and departmental managers can track time and expenses on a day-to-day basis without the technicians actually needing to sit down at a laptop. It's fantastic.
For our service technicians that are in the field, for them to be able to access the most up-to-date information, be able to modify their tickets and input information on the fly, it's critical to what we do.
Acumatica has the ability to provide custom dashboards. I'm able to take a look at where the projects stand, look at projects that are on our horizon in the next 2, 3, 4 weeks so that we can gather materials, assign project managers, and really just streamline our entire process.
Acumatica has given me insight into the service department that I previously didn't have. It's given me a bird's eye view of what's going on in the entire department.
The best thing I can ask for when I work with software is support, of course. And Acumatica to me is what I like to say the Apple and Starbucks customer service type.
Acumatica has been with us through an explosion of growth, and they've changed with us and helped us.
I would absolutely recommend Acumatica to businesses, not just in our industry, but really in any industry. It enables us to track time and materials and expenses, generate accurate costing analysis of where our projects come out at. And really, again, the cloud-based functionality means that our employees are able to conduct their business anytime, anywhere.